If you're out there across the valley tomorrow, temperatures will be hotter than today in some areas. I think the clouds, like I told you before the break, may keep it a little cooler in some areas, but cooler is like 88 or 89 instead of 95. 87 right now in Harlingen, 85 in Brownsville, 95 in Rio Grande City. And the breezes coming back at us from the south and southeast. Sustained winds about 20 to almost 30 miles per hour at times, and some gusts higher than that. It's probably going to be fairly breezy like this all the way through this evening. So it's not going to be an evening where the winds die off when the sun goes down. It will probably stay almost as breezy, maybe up to around midnight in some areas. So evening planner is looking breezy, but clear initially. Temperatures fall from the 80s into the 70s. Clouds could start to form in some areas late tonight, closer to midnight or later as the humidity really comes up, but the humidity will just keep climbing tonight into tomorrow morning. So your day planner tomorrow, I think I put too much sun on here, but temperatures back up in the 80s, maybe near 90, a little bit on the breezy side, but the clouds may be kind of filling in the sky at times tomorrow, especially in the morning. So ignore all that sunshine. We'll show you the clouds in a second. But tomorrow's highs, again, clouds may kind of not break up too quickly once they form tomorrow. So temperatures may be held down in some areas about the upper 80s or so, near 92 though in McAllen, 94 in Rio Grande City. But it is going to be very humid everywhere with the dew points coming back up. Satellite shows clouds not here today. You see a few high clouds to the south and off to the west, but basically clear skies. Over the weekend, there is a risk for severe weather Saturday and even going into Sunday across much of Texas, especially from central, northern, and into eastern Texas and more of, I guess, central and eastern and southeastern Texas by Sunday. But if you are traveling north, kind of keep an eye on things. You can always get the KRGV weather app, get it out, fire it up on your phone, and see if you can track the storms with us, because you can check out the radar anywhere you're traveling. So when you're on your drive up there, tell your buddy in the car to check the weather, because it could be stormy this weekend. Small chances of a thunderstorm reaching the valley. So again, we'll show you the possibilities here. Over the weekend, stays breezy tonight into early tomorrow morning. I think the winds mostly decrease tomorrow, maybe a light breeze around, but warmer, more humid weather comes up. This cold front to the north could spark the thunderstorms across central and north Texas tomorrow. The atmosphere probably won't get as pumped up here, so there's only a slim chance of maybe a shower forming later in the day. Sunday's a day, though, when another round of big storms could fire across central and northern Texas through the hill country, eventually over toward Houston Sunday evening. But as this cold front moves through the valley, if enough moisture is able to build up, we might have a narrow line of some showers or storms Sunday evening. But it's also a good possibility that a lot of it may miss us. But keep an eye on Sunday evening. You'll see it here on Future Track through tomorrow morning. We're looking for clouds around. They may be slow to break up tomorrow, but tomorrow looks like a warm and humid day with a slim chance for a shower. Sunday, you see the clouds break up by afternoon again, but by evening, a shower or storm may try to form along that cold front. So between about, say, 4 p.m. through midnight on Sunday is the best chance to maybe see a thunderstorm briefly fire up, but kind of keep an eye on things. So your first 7-day forecast, upper 80s and lower 90s tomorrow. Slim chance for a shower, but kind of a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. Mostly sun, I think, most of Sunday afternoon, but a thunderstorm might fire up in the evening. Then we're back to low humidity on Monday with sunshine, and then another cold front finally cools things off more by later Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week with a good batch of lower humidity coming. So we'll keep tracking the changes in your first 4 and 5 forecast. Oscar?